imagine living with unpredictable, debilitating attacks that could strike at any moment. That's the reality for people with hereditary angioedema, HAE. But what if a new treatment could dramatically reduce those attacks? Pharvaris, PHVS, just announced some exciting news that sent their stock soaring 9.1%. Their drug, Deucrictibant, showed a remarkable 92% reduction in HAE attacks in a recent study. Let's dive into what this means for Pharvaris and the future of HAE treatment. Pharvaris recently released their third quarter 2025 financial results, revealing a net loss of €37.14 million. However, the real story wasn't the financials, but the significant clinical progress of Deucrictibant, their investigational therapy for HAE. This update included positive long-term safety data and confirmed that the pivotal Phase 3 study is still on track for a readout in 2026. The latest data revealed an impressive average reduction of 92.4% in HAE attack frequency over a period of 34 months. This represents a huge potential improvement in the quality of life for HAE patients. Furthermore, the company highlighted a plasma kinin biomarker assay. This assay has the potential to provide a deeper understanding of bradykinin-mediated angioedema, which is the underlying cause of HAE. This could lead to more personalized and effective treatment strategies in the future. So, how does this promising data impact Pharvaris's overall investment appeal? For investors, the key to understanding Pharvaris lies in the potential success of Deucrictibant. The recent clinical data acts as a shot in the arm, bolstering confidence in the drug's efficacy and increasing anticipation for the Phase 3 study results. While Pharvaris is currently a pre-revenue company, the possibility of regulatory approval for Deucrictibant has served as a major catalyst for the stock. The positive safety and efficacy signals may also alleviate some concerns about the viability of their drug pipeline in the near term. However, and this is crucial, the company's financial situation presents a significant risk. Pharvaris continues to experience substantial net losses and has relied on shareholder dilution to finance its operations. While the clinical news is encouraging, these financial risks haven't disappeared. The immediate market reaction to the announcement seems positive, but the underlying financial fundamentals and the timeline to commercialization mean that risk remains elevated for the time being. But here's where it gets controversial. Some analysts argue that the market is overreacting to the clinical data and underestimating the long-term financial challenges facing Pharvaris. Is the potential reward worth the risk of further dilution? Speaking of risk, and this is the part most people miss, ongoing dilution can significantly impact shareholder value. While a rising stock price might mask the effects in the short term, repeated dilution can erode your ownership stake and ultimately limit your potential returns. It's a critical factor to consider when evaluating an investment like Pharvaris. Pharvaris's shares are currently trending upward, but some analysts believe they might be overvalued. One fair value estimate from the Simply Wallasty community sits at €37.45, with contributors consistently arriving at this figure. While there seems to be a consensus on the potential upside, your personal outlook on Pharvaris's future hinges on your comfort level with ongoing losses and the potential for further share dilution. Consider how other investors are weighing these risks before forming your own opinion. What factors are you prioritizing when evaluating this investment? Want to develop your own investment thesis on Pharvaris? Extraordinary investment returns often come from thinking differently than the crowd. To get started, consider these additional resources. Our analysis highlights 3 important warning signs that could influence your investment decision. Our free Pharvaris research report offers a comprehensive fundamental analysis, summarized in a single visual, the snowflake, making it easy to assess Pharvaris's overall financial health at a glance. Looking for other investment opportunities? Here are a few trending ideas. Discover 29 emerging AI stocks developing technology for early disease identification, potentially revolutionizing cancer and Alzheimer's detection. Find companies with promising cash flow potential that are currently trading below their fair value. Explore 16 U.S. stocks projected to pay a dividend yield exceeding 6% next year. Disclaimer: this article by Simply Wallasty is for general informational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Our analysis is based on historical data and analyst forecasts, and we do not provide personalized investment recommendations. Investing in the stock market involves risk, and you should consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Simply Wallasty has no position in any stocks mentioned. New: simplify your stock portfolio management with our free tool. Connect unlimited portfolios and view your total holdings in one currency. Receive alerts for new warning signs or risks via email or mobile. Track the fair value of your stocks. Try a demo portfolio for free. Do you have feedback on this article? Are you concerned about the content? Please contact us directly or email editorial-team@simplywalls.com. What are your thoughts on Pharvaris? Do you believe the potential rewards outweigh the risks? Share your perspective in the comments below.